Ayurveda brand Kapiva has announced its collaboration with Bollywood actor Tiger Shroff to challenge misconceptions surrounding Shilajit, a mineral-rich resin. The partnership together aims to reshape perceptions of Ayurveda by spotlighting Shilajit's versatile applications. India's fitness icon Tiger Shroff coming in an ad where he recommends Kapiva Shilajit Gold to naturally achieve gym goal. He insists to choose an Ayurveda supplement instead of steroids for muscle building. In a normal day, when you talk about Shilajit, there will be whisper around you with lots of smileys. But in reality, Shilajit is a natural Ayurvedic product which shape you in muscle building, faster recovery, improved energy levels, better metabolism, and enhanced joint health. Speaking on the collaboration, Mr. Shroff told, "It's a great opportunity as I firmly believe that Ayurveda is the missing link we all need to bridge the gap between traditional wisdom and modern well-being. I feel a deep sense of satisfaction being the one entrusted with the task of educating the audience and to contribute to their well-being. It's truly a privilege to be part of a brand that shares my love for health and well-being." Mr. Shantanu, co-founder of Kapiva, said, "The beginning of a perfect partnership aimed at collaborating and reshaping the narrative surrounding Shilajit, moving towards a more informed and nuanced understanding for our consumers. We are excited to have him on board." Now, as the world is moving towards the 5,000 years old holistic wellness system, Ayurveda, it remains to be seen how bodybuilders adapting it to get their shape naturally and contribute towards building Ayurveda. Nirop News.
हे टाइगर, मसल बिल्डिंग के लिए स्टेरॉइड्स में नहाना चाहिए।
लोग तो कुछ भी कहेंगे। इसके 5 herbs रिजल्ट दे in just 2 months.